Here we have a problem on line segment. There is a line segment given over here, that is AC, and here the length of AB is given by x positive 3 and the length of BC is given by 3x negative 6. And here we have an information. In the figure above, AB equals to 2/3 BC. What is the length of AC? So we have to find the length of the line segment AC. Okay, so to find the length of AC, first I have to solve for x. So once I get the value of x, using the value of x, I can find the length of AB. So by plugging in the value of x into this expression, and also using the value of x, I can evaluate this expression 3x negative 6, which represents the length of BC. So once I get the length of AB and BC, I can add them to get the length of AC. Okay, now our aim is to solve for x. Okay, there is an equation given here. So that is AB equals to 2/3 times BC. So for AB, we know from the figure that is x positive 3. X positive 3 is the length of AB. So we can plug in x positive 3 for this AB 2/3, and for BC we know that the length is 3x negative 6, so we can plug in 3x negative 6 for BC. Okay, here we have x positive 3 equals to 2/3, and here inside the parenthesis both 3x and 6 are multiples of 3, so we can factor 3 out from this expression 3x negative 6. If 3 is factored out, I'll have x left in the first term and negative 2 left in the second term. So even if I distribute this 3 to x and negative 2, I'm getting 3x negative 6. So the factoring I have done is correct. So this 3 can be cancelled, and I'm getting x positive 3 equals to 2 times x negative 2. Okay, so here x positive 3 equals to, and I can distribute this 2 to x and negative 2, then I'll be getting 2x negative 4. Okay, now I have to solve for x. I subtract x from both sides. So when I do so, this positive x, negative x will cancel out. I get 3 equals to, when I simplify this, I'm getting x negative 4. Okay, now add 4 to both sides. So this positive 4, negative 4 will cancel out. 3 positive 4 will become 7 on the left side. On the right side, I have x. So now I got the value of x. Okay, when I plug in x equals to 7, that is, I got the value of x equal to 7. When I plug in x equals to 7 over here, 7 positive 3 will become 10. The length of AB is 10. Okay, so what is the value of 3x negative 6 if x equals to 7? That is 3 times 7 negative 6, which is 3 times 7 is 21. 21 negative 6 is 15. Okay, so the evaluation of 3x negative 6 equals to 15 when x equals to 7. So 3x negative 6 represents the length of BC. Therefore, the length of BC is 15. Okay, according to the question, we have to find the length of AC. So AC equals to the length of AB and the length positive the length of BC. It is AC equals to AB positive BC. So we know that the length of AB is 10 and the length of BC is 15. So when I add 10 positive 15, I am getting 25. So the length of AC is 25 units. The correct answer choice for this question is option D.